Dear students, welcome to the online education of class 6 science. Dear students, in the previous class I was discussing with you about the various different ways of connecting electric cell with the electric bulb. Okay, so that we have discussed in the previous class, and later on we also discussed about the electric circuit. Okay, so how does the electric circuit works, and it gives the complete path for the electricity to pass from the one terminal of the cell to another terminal. So that we have discussed, and at the same time we discussed about the switch. Okay, so now sometimes an electric bulb does not glow. This is due to there is a power, the filament has been fused. Okay, so this fused filament may not allow the electricity to pass. Okay, so now let us see what is there inside the filament intact. Okay, so an electric bulb, it may fuse due to many reasons. The fusing of electric bulb may takes place because of many reasons. Okay, so one is reason for the electric bulb to fuse is for a bulb to fuse is a break in its filament. See, inside the bulb glass case you can see the filament. Okay, so it is made up of very strong metal. Okay, so if that fuse which is present inside the bulb, if the breakage takes place in the filament, then definitely the bulb may fuse. Okay, so a break in the filament of an electric bulb, it means a break in the path of current between the two terminals of the electric cell. See, if there is a breakage in the filament of an electric cell, it means that there is a break in the path of the electric current, means the path where the electric current is flowing, no, so there is a break in that. So if there is a break in the path of the electric current, therefore the between the terminals of the electric cell, so between the terminals of the electric cell, if there is a breakage in the path of the electric current, then definitely what happens there is a breakage in the filament. Okay, so therefore a fused bulb does not glow, it does not light up. Okay, so no, as no current passes through its filament, as the filament has been fused, so there is no current to pass through the filament, hence the bulb does not glow or light up at all. Okay, so now you can know more about the explanation about why the bulb did not glow when we tried to do so much different kinds of arrangement in figures 12.5a, B, C, D, E. Okay, in all these four cases, so we tried to we have connected the bulb to electric cell. Okay, to make the bulb to glow. But why did it not get connected? Why did the bulb does not glow? Even if we tried many times by arranging in different ways, this is because we know that how to make a bulb light up by using electric cell. Okay, so for that case we need to arrange in a correct path. Okay, it should have a complete circuit, then only it can light up. So let us go for the activity number 3. Here you can see, by seeing that you will understand. So take a torch bulb, you have to take a torch bulb and a piece of wire, and remove the plastic covering from that wire at the two ends of those wire, as we have done in the previous experiment. Okay, on the two sides of that wire we have to remove the plastic wire. Okay, so now wrap one end of a wire around the base of the electric bulb. So one end of the wire, so what you need to do, you have to wrap it around the base of the electric bulb. Around the base of the electric bulb you have to wrap it and make it get connected. Okay, so next one, look at the figure 12.7, and fix the other end of the wire to the negative terminal or negative end or terminal of electric cell with a rubber band. So another end of the wire you have to fix it to the negative terminal of the electric cell with a rubber wire. Okay, so rubber band, using rubber band or anything you can use to get it connected. Now bring the tip of the base of the bulb, the tip of the, you have to bring the tip of the base of the electric bulb, that is the its another terminal, and in contact with the positive terminal of the electric cell. Okay, you have to bring the tip, the wire which is at the tip of the base of the electric cell bulb, so that should be brought to the other terminal, so in contact with the other terminal of the bulb to the in contact with the positive terminal of the electric cell. Now the bulb glows. So now move the bulb little away from the terminal of the electric cell. So does the bulb glow at that time, remain lighted? So this is not the similar to what we have done when we switch your torch or on or off. See, if you just move the bulb little away from that electric cell, from that wire, the bulb does not glow, it does not remains glowing lighted, because there is no contact with the wire from one terminal of the electric cell to electric bulb if you just move the bulb away from the terminal of the wire electric cell. Okay, so this is what same thing happens when we switch on and when we switch off the button in the torch. So same operation is made in this case. So dear students, now you understood by how to make connected the bulb, make the bulb to glow when we connect the bulb to the cell. So dear students, let us continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.